Citrus Fresh. Yay for Citrus Fresh. Just like lemon and all the other citruses, it's a lightener and brightener and a fabulous addition to any of your cleaning and deodorizing and degreasing that you have in your house. It is a combination of orange, grapefruit, mandarin, tangerine, lemon, and spearmint. So added to your juices, your smoothies, your sauces and marinades. Yum. It's actually one of my favorite in the diffuser. And if Citrus Fresh could talk, and it can, it would say, fly me to the moon. Citrus Fresh is supportive in helping you step out of your comfort zone. These oils not only have a physical supportive aspect, but they support us in all aspects of our being, emotional, mental, spiritual. So Citrus Fresh supports us in stepping out of our comfort zone. So it works really well with Valor. Valor gives us the courage, the grounding, and peace and calming, which provides some safety. And Citrus Fresh says that anything and everything is possible. The places on the body topically that Citrus Fresh likes to be applied: roof of the mouth, put some on the palm of your hand, stick your thumb in it, roof of your mouth, your big toe, which actually represents your brain and reflexology, and massaged into your scalp. Wonderful. Fly me to the moon. Anything is possible. We love you, Citrus Fresh.